Running is not just an exercise. Any finisher in the category 16 to goes to Pangthokhre category goes to M, and the winner of 10. Congratulations. And a very interesting gentlemen. You are now and the first position.
This running, this marathon is the second episode that we are having this year, and I am sure in the next episodes we will have even better participation. Running, as you know, is one of the simplest sport, but yet the most competitive and can be more complex, one of the most complex sports also. As you've seen, the number of benefits that running has, health benefits that running has, plus when you run, you also get a feel of your environment. So very simple, without any, everybody can take part, doesn't require skill sets. So I would urge everyone to take part or to inculcate this as a habit, to start running on kind of daily basis, which will give you that much of health benefits. Also, the kind of running as a game, it inculcates physical and mental challenges which are there, in the sense that it permits or it allows you to create that competitive spirit.